Assalamu alaikum. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about logic design, chapter 1, number system. So let's go to the first slide. So now in this slide, I'm going to discuss about digital logic. So a digital computer stores data in terms of digits. So whatever the electronic device you take, it will store the data in the form of digits. For example, if you are storing your data, for example, if you are storing your name in your phone or in your computer, it will store in the form of numbers and proceed in discrete step from one state to another state. For process, it will take steps to step to give the output. For example, if you are adding two numbers, 5 and 6, for example. So the 5 will be converted in the form of digits, that is a digital number. Then 6 will be in the form of digital number. Now we have to add the number. Now we have to add the number. Then what it will do? It will form, it will add the two number by using some circuits. We'll see what is the circuit used for adding in upcoming slides. So it will add the number by using some circuits. Then finally you will get the output. Okay. First, it will go in the digital format. Then the process will be takes place in the circuit, and the output will be viewed. So that's why they are mentioning from one state to next. So next, the state of digital computer typically involve binary digits. Okay, so the digital computer, the computer which is in digital format, whatever it is in the digital format. You take mobile, uh, keyboard, whatever it is, uh, tab, uh, laptop, whatever it is. If it is a digital computer or digital electronic devices, then it involves in a binary digit. The digits are zeros and ones. In digital computer, even a letter, word, whole text are represented digitally. Whatever you type in a computer, in a digital computer, whatever you type, that the format will be converted digitally. Okay, so whatever you type, it will be saved as a digital format. Digital logic is a base of electronic system such as computer, mobile phone, anything else, keyboard, monitor, whatever it is. Okay, so digital logic is the base of any electronic system such as computer, cell phone, etc. Digital logic is rooted in binary code, a series of zeros and ones. Digital logic is rooted in a binary code. So the binary codes are zeros and ones as a series of zeros and ones, even having an opposite value, ones and zeros. This system help facilitate the design of electronic circuit that convey information including logic gates. So I already told you the digital numbers will be converted into information by the form of electronic circuit. Okay, so the circuit will be converted the digital numbers to useful information. For example, 5 and 6 are numbers. It is a data. So when I am adding these two numbers, it will become a useful information. Okay, so how it will be added? It will be added using electronic circuit that convey information including gates. Next, logic design gates. So It includes gates. What are all the gates present? AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So digital logic gate functions includes AND, OR, and NOT. The value system translates the input signal into specific output. So the input signal will be converted to specific output. For example, I'm having this is one of the digital circuit. I'm giving a input as 5. For example, I'm giving a input as 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So I am giving a input as 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is a digital circuit. So what this digital circuit will do is add this two value. Add this two value. So the final output is 1, 1. So it will give the output as 1, 1. Okay. So this is the example of circuit. Okay. The value system translates the input signal into specific output. So this is the input signal. It will convert this input signal to specific output. Digital logic facilitate computing, robotics, and other electronic applications. So it will help for computer, robotic, designing robotic, and any other electronic. Digital logic design is foundational to the fields of electrical engineering and computer engineering. So it is a foundation for electrical engineering, electronics, and computer engineering. Next, digital logic designers built a complex electronic components that use both electrical and computational characteristics. The digital logic design is used to develop hardware such as circuit board and microchip processor. So whatever the hardware, motherboard, anything else, the digital boards, mobile motherboard. So whatever you take, so it will be designed or developed by using digital logic design. So in next slide, so check out your activity. So just answer this question: what is digital electronics? So what is digital electronics? What is digital circuit? What are the advantage of digital circuit? And what is digital logic? So give the difference between the digital logic, digital circuit, and digital electronics. This is your activity. Thank you.